Life in Rowlett offers a peaceful suburban atmosphere, but as the community grows and traffic increases along major roads like Lakeview Parkway, noise pollution has become a bigger concern for many homeowners. From passing cars and construction sounds to busy neighborhood activity, unwanted noise can easily disrupt your daily comfort. Fortunately, one of the most effective ways to create a quieter, more serene home is through proper window installation. While the quality of the window itself matters, how it is installed plays an equally important role in blocking exterior noise. For Rowlett homeowners seeking a more peaceful indoor environment, here's how proper window installation helps reduce noise pollution, and why it's worth the investment. Tight seals make a big difference in sound control. Even the best windows won't minimize sound effectively if they aren't installed with precision. Exterior noise often enters through small gaps around the window frame, especially in older Rowlett homes where weather stripping has worn down over time. A professional installation ensures precise measurements, proper alignment, completely sealed edges, high-quality insulation around the frame. These tight seals drastically limit how much noise can pass through, helping your home feel quieter and more relaxing. Double and triple pane windows work best when installed correctly. Many Rowlett homeowners upgrade to double or triple pane windows for better sound reduction. These windows include multiple layers of glass, which create barriers that disrupt sound waves before they enter your home. However, this advanced technology only works if the window is installed perfectly level and securely anchored. Even a slight gap can compromise the soundproofing effect. Proper installation ensures the window performs exactly as designed, giving you the full benefit of multi-pane insulation. Noise-absorbing spacers. Gas fills like argon or krypton. Sound-reducing glass coatings. This is especially valuable in areas close to busy intersections, schools, or commercial zones. Strong, insulated frames help block vibrations. Noise doesn't just travel through glass, it also travels through window frames. Older aluminum frames, common in many early Rowlett homes, tend to vibrate and transfer sound easily. During a proper installation, your contractor will ensure the frame is securely anchored, fully insulated, free of gaps, made from sound-deadening materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite. These modern materials absorb rather than transmit vibrations, helping keep your home peaceful. Proper installation prevents rattling and air leakage. Windows that are poorly fitted or loosely installed often rattle when windy conditions hit Rowlett or when large vehicles pass by. This not only adds to noise pollution but also reduces comfort and energy efficiency. A correct installation eliminates problems like window rattling, whistling noises during wind, air leaks that carry sound indoors, low-performance seals that wear quickly. The result is a more stable, solid, and silent window system. Reduced noise means better sleep, comfort, and quality of life. Noise pollution can impact everything from sleep quality to stress levels, especially in households with young children, home offices, or light sleepers. When windows are installed correctly, noise reduction becomes noticeable and immediate. Homeowners enjoy benefits such as more restful sleep, quieter living spaces, better focus for work from home routines, increased comfort in high traffic areas of the home. Whether you live near the lake, in a growing subdivision, or along a busier road, the difference proper installation makes is remarkable. A long-term investment in home comfort. Proper installation doesn't just improve noise reduction today, it protects your window's performance for years to come. Professional installers follow best practices that ensure longer window lifespan, better energy efficiency, fewer maintenance issues, improved property value. A home with well-installed windows not only looks better but also functions better, creating a higher quality living environment for your family. Final thoughts. For Rowlett homeowners dealing with unwanted noise, upgrading windows is a smart decision, but ensuring they're installed properly is essential. Professional installation maximizes sound control, boosts energy efficiency, and enhances indoor comfort year-round. If you're ready to reduce noise pollution and create a more peaceful home, the right window installation team can make all the difference.